man, that high school, it's like if they can't figure out how to get across the street without everyone else stopping for them, I don't know how they're gonna make it in the real world. So,
I would argue that
and I have kids that are gonna be going to it, so it's like I have skin in the game. I get it. That's why I taught my kids from day one. It's like both ways where you go, and it doesn't matter what the law says. You will still get hit if you're not paying attention, or if the driver's not. Right? Just because there's that crosswalk there, that doesn't mean Timmy the typewriter isn't down there.